3-man Kelvin gun. Fireballs inside the profile roll of 70 rounds per second. The Hawk gun has a devastating effect on the enemy. It's being shaken over 7 times with destructive energy of the more conventional 20mm round. And now take Major Brown less than 30 seconds to get back into firing position for a second straight attack. With 2 Hawks working together, enemy forces to be spent under enemy's A-10 attack every 10 to 15 seconds. Major Brown is coming around for his final attack. So he will seemingly dropping 500 pounds. Mark 82, General Purpose Bombs. These General Purpose Bombs are useful as spreading airfields or destroying buildings, adding versatility to the Hawk's arsenal of weapons. Major Brown's performing a jig out maneuver that's designed to make life very difficult for the enemy anti-aircraft gunners. Because it frequently changes direction, airspeed, and altitude, the A-10 becomes a difficult target to shoot. The Warthawg has a well-known reputation for strength and striking power, a reputation that is irreplaceable. Afghanistan and Iraq.